There's the mango.
Oh,
You want one
you
taste?
buy-
A turner, I mean.
Yeah.
You like it? Kunin natin yung medyo ano pa. Green. Ito pwede to. Or may sakit.
Yeah. I think Where's the straw?
Okay, hold on. This is taste.
After this, we're going to
Digicom. Minolta yun, Canon. Kano siya? 699. Dragon fruit, oh. Ay, kakaiba. Hindi. Yellow. Honey dragons. Costco. Fresh produce. Yun tayo ng mangga. May fresh mango, oh. Fresh mango cut na siya. Sarap kaya yun? Pineapple din yan. Balat. Uy. Parang mas masarap ito. Ito. Try natin to. Kuha tayo. Meron palang ganito sa Albertson, no? Mango pico. Parang ano natin, ensalada.
cattle. We're just gonna say or 7 avocado.
Oh, let's go. Put it back. Sarap. Tamis. Parang gusto kong itry. Try ko kaya. Sige, try ko na nga. Let's try! Ooh. Ano na tawag dito? Honey. Dragon fruit. Daming seeds. Let's try. Sarap! Tamis! Sarap! Come with us, attend Circuit Assembly of Jehovah's Witnesses. Oops. Cheryl, what are you gonna do? Red light, green light. Look at me, Tay.
You to it, we'll get a hold of it.
See it?
Hold on, hold on.
Oh, we're done. Pauwi na. Allen Civic Center. May park dyan. Gusto ko to, split fiction para 2 players, co-op siya. It takes 2. Bilhin na natin. You know, I need assistance in getting this split fiction.
Okay.
Days, move. Give way. This one.
Okay.
Oh, again. We got it. Ayan. Let's play later, okay?
Okay.
Split fiction. Here.
Track and synchronize what? Mr. Rader will fill you in on the details shortly. Yes, you are.